the reaction with oxygen and nitrogen, all the alkaline earth metal generally forms what? Alkaline earth metal generally has the capacity to form normal oxides, correct? All the alkaline earth metal when reacts with the oxygen generally has the capacity to form normal oxides and peroxides, correct? Normal oxide कौन कौन से बनते हैं? बेरिलियम, मैग्नीशियम and calcium generally forms normal oxides. In that, magnesium and calcium generally has the capacity to form normal oxide as well as peroxides, but these peroxides are generally considered to be क्या रहेंगे? Unstable, and these normal oxides are considered to be what? In that, strontium and barium always has the capacity to form peroxides. These peroxides are generally considered to be stable and colored रहते हैं. The coloring nature of peroxide is mainly due to what? Lattice defect. Recently, among the stability of these oxide के बारे में एक क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था. In alkali metals में आपने पढ़ा था, alkali metals mainly has the capacity to form monoxides, peroxide and superoxides. These alkaline earth metal mainly has the capacity to form normal oxide as well as peroxide. What will be the order of stability of these oxides? बोल के पूछा गया था. Among the normal oxides, peroxides and superoxides, the normal oxides are always considered to be more stable. When you compare the stability order of these oxides, the normal oxides are always considered to be more stable than the peroxides. And the peroxides are always considered to be more stable compared to what? It is the stability order of oxides बोल के बोला जाता है. It is the stability order of oxides. Arrange these oxides in their order of stability बोल के पूछा गया. So amongst the normal oxides, peroxides and superoxides, the normal oxides are always considered to be more stable than the peroxides, than superoxides. And the oxidation state क्या रहेगा? The oxidation state of oxygen among the oxides, peroxides and superoxides, oxide में oxygen का oxidation state -2, peroxides में O2 -2, and in the superoxide O2 getting this. Single oxygen atom लोगे तो it is a -1, it is a minus. Getting समझ में आ रहा है? And another thing you have to be remember, this is a very important one with respect to the competitive aspect. Order of stability of oxides. Normal oxides are always considered to be more stable than the peroxides, than superoxides. And oxidation state, O -2, O -1, O -1. In the superoxide, oxygen get exist with the oxidation state of -1, here -1, here -2. Getting the thing? And another thing you have to remember with respect to these two, beryllium oxide and magnesium oxide. The beryllium oxide and magnesium oxides are generally considered to be the oxides with the high melting point. इनका melting point क्या रहेगा? बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है. Getting the thing? The beryllium oxide and magnesium oxides are the two oxides. Those are generally associated with what? Higher melting point. Due to the higher melting point of the beryllium oxide and the magnesium oxide, or due to the tendency of these oxide to sustain itself at high temperature, they get exist in this form of beryllium oxide and magnesium oxide even at high temperature. They have the capacity to withstand or tolerate a high temperature tolerate कर सकते हैं. Due to the higher melting point, or due to the capacity of beryllium oxide and the magnesium oxide to withstand at a high temperature, due to that reason, these two compounds are generally used for the making of inner walls of the furnaces. inner wall of the furnace. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? Certain reactions are generally taking place at 1000 degree Celsius, 2000 degree Celsius. तो reaction होते हुए रहते हैं. During the time of heating, अब कोई भी एक कंटेनर लोगे, वो कंटेनर को आप 2000 डिग्री तक हीट करोगे तो वो मेल्ट होना शुरू होता है. गेटिंग? फॉर दैट रीजन क्या करते हैं, एक वॉल बनाते हैं, एक फर्नेस बनाते हैं, एंड द फर्नेस के इनर वॉल इज मेड अप ऑफ व्हाट? बेरिलियम ऑक्साइड एंड मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. As these having the capacity to withstand at a high temperature, as these oxides are having the capacity to tolerate the high temperature, even at a high temperature these compounds couldn't melt. So as these have the capacity to withstand or tolerate the high temperature, इसलिए inner wall of the furnace get labeled, get painted with what? इसके साथ paint किया जाता है. Getting the thing? So these are the important things with respect to the oxide. One thing you have to remember, this one. And second one you have to remember with respect to what? Strontium and barium always form the peroxides. They are stable and all oxides are generally क्या रहेंगे? All are diamagnetic. All are diamagnetic. Among that peroxides are colored due to the lattice defect. Due to the defect in their arrangement, they started to impart color. Getting the thing? Is the thing with respect to the oxides. Then move towards the next one. Reaction with water. Reaction with water. What happens when these alkaline earth metals get reacts with what? Water के साथ. Reaction with water. Getting the thing? How these alkaline earth metal get reacts with the water? याद रख लो, due to the smaller size of the beryllium always reacts with the water in the form of steam. याद रख लो, due to the smaller size of the beryllium atom, it is least reactive towards the water. Hence, the beryllium always reacts with the water in the form of steam के साथ react होता है. Beryllium could not react with the hot water or cold water के साथ react नहीं होता है. Beryllium reacts with the water in the form of steam, and magnesium जो रहेगा, magnesium atomic size क्या हुआ? Beryllium to magnesium increase हुआ, तो reactivity भी increase होता है. Hence the magnesium always reacts with the boiling water के साथ react होता है. Boiling water तो बोलो, or just call it as hot. The magnesium couldn't react with cold water. It only reacts with what? Boiling water. Down the group, atomic size increases. Atomic size increase होने से reactivity of these alkaline earth metal towards the water increase होगा. As it is the least reactive, it always reacts with the water at a high temperature. तो high temperature पे 100 के अब heat करोगे तो water get exist in the form of steam, vapor के form में exist होगा. इसीलिए beryllium always reacts with water in the form of steam. It never reacts with the hot water or cold water. Magnesium atomic size increase होने से it will react with the hot water. Getting the thing? Calcium, strontium, barium, due to the increase in the atomic size, they have the capacity to react with even at cold water. Cold water के साथ react. Getting the thing? One. अब second question क्या होगा? How they get reacts with what? Water molecule. कैसे react होंगे? Getting the thing? How they get reacts with the water molecule? याद रख लो, if M is considered to be what? Alkaline earth metal बोल के consider करोगे. M is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium और barium बोल के consider करोगे. When these alkaline earth metals get mixed with what? किसके साथ? Water के साथ mix करोगे. Once it is mixed with the water, all the alkaline earth metal get reacts with the water in the form of steam or the hot water or cold water के form में react होके they will form the corresponding hydroxides. They will form what? The corresponding hydroxides. They will form the corresponding hydroxides with the release of H2. Alkali metal में भी हमने पढ़ा था. Alkali metal when reacts with the water molecule, they form their corresponding hydroxide with the release of hydrogen gas. पढ़ा था. मगर वहाँ पे क्या पढ़ते थे? It catches the fire बोल. When alkali metal get mixed with the water, it catches the fire. But these alkaline earth metals are less reactive towards the water molecule in compared to alkali metals. Alkali metals को compare करोगे तो less reactive रहेंगे because these are having smaller atomic size when compared to the alkali metals. One. And when these alkaline earth metals get mixed with the water, they will form the corresponding hydroxide with the release of hydrogen gas, and it is an exothermic reaction. Exothermic रहेगा. It will release the energy. Alkali metal का भी exothermic ही था, ये भी exothermic ही रहेगा. But change क्या होगा? Alkali metal when reacts with the water molecule, they will form the corresponding hydroxides with the release of hydrogen gas. Getting the thing? And it catches the fire. Getting the thing? Magar when alkaline earth metal reacts with the water, they will form the corresponding hydroxide with the release of hydrogen gas, but it couldn't catches the fire. याद रख लो. They couldn't catches the fire with water. Couldn't catches the fire. Last bench. समझ में आ रहा है? It couldn't catches the fire बोल के बोला जा रहा था. One. क्यों कैच नहीं करता है? What is the reason? Reason is that the energy which is released when the alkaline earth metal reacts with the water molecule, that energy is not sufficient to catch the fire. Alkali metal when reacts with the water molecule, the energy which is released, it is sufficient to react with the hydrogen gas and it will catch the fire. But alkaline earth metal में क्या होगा? Whatever the energy which is released, which is insufficient, it is lesser in amount, which is required to catch the fire with hydrogen. Getting the thing? Due to the release of the lesser amount of energy or insufficient amount of energy to catch the fire along with the hydrogen gas, alkaline earth metal when reacts with the water, they will form their hydroxide without catching the fire. बोला जाता है. Getting the thing? One. And second thing, all the alkaline earth metal will form which type of hydroxide? MOH taken twice. Alkali metal में MOH बन रहे थे, यहाँ पे MOH taken twice बने. Getting the thing? One. अब beryllium लोगे तो beryllium will form which type of hydroxide? BOH taken twice. Getting the thing? Magnesium लोगे तो MgOH taken twice. Calcium CaOH taken twice. Strontium, and this is a barium. All alkaline earth metal when reacts with the water, they will form this type of hydroxide. सभी hydroxides बनेंगे. And one thing you have to know with respect to the hydroxides, these hydroxides which are formed, all are basic in nature. सभी basic nature के रहते हैं. One. And down the group, while moving beryllium hydroxide to barium hydroxide, basic nature देखोगे. Nature. Down the group क्या होगा? Down the group basic nature क्या होगा? Increase होना शुरू. As atomic size goes on increases, the basicity also increases. So which one is considered to be the strongest base? Barium hydroxide. The weakest one? This one. And another thing, solubility देखोगे. Solubility increases down the group. नीचे जब जाओगे तो down the group increase होगा. Thermal stability और stability बोल के बोलते हैं. Thermal stability increases down the group increase होता है. याद रख लो, down the group all hydroxides are basic in nature. Down the group basic strength increases. One. यहाँ पे एक exceptional case आना शुरू होता है. Basic strength down the group increases, solubility increase होगा, thermal stability down the group goes on increases. And another thing you have to remember, all the hydroxides of alkaline earth metals are basic in nature. उसमें जब आप beryllium hydroxide लोगे, this beryllium hydroxide, although all hydroxides are basic in nature, but beryllium hydroxide जो रहेगा, it is amphoteric in nature. Except beryllium hydroxide, इसे छोड़ के except बोल के आएगा तो समझ लो important है. Except beryllium hydroxide, all the hydroxides of alkaline earth metals are generally considered to be what? Basic in nature. The beryllium hydroxide जो रहेगा, it is amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric means it is acting as acid as well as base. तो reaction हमने लिया था. The amphoteric nature of this beryllium hydroxide is generally confirmed. कैसे confirm करते हैं? It is generally confirmed by the reaction of this beryllium hydroxide with acid as well as base के साथ. Getting the thing? When this beryllium hydroxide reacts with an acid, HCl के साथ react होगा, तो it is acting as what? Base बोल के act होगा, तो it will form BCl2 plus water molecule. Getting the thing? तो in presence of acid, it is acting as base. वही बेरिलियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को आप बेस के साथ मिक्स करोगे. इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ बेस इट इज एक्टिंग एज क्या बोल के एक्ट करेगा? एसिड बोल के एक्ट करेगा, एंड इट विल फॉर्म द कॉम्प्लेक्स साल्ट. कल हमने पढ़ा था अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल. In the alkaline earth metal, beryllium and magnesium are the two elements have the capacity to form complexes with the coordination number 4. पढ़ा था? तो वही यहाँ पे होगा. Once the beryllium hydroxide get mixed with the base, in the presence of basic media, it is act as an acid. Very important one. It is act as acid बोल के act करेगा, and it will form the complex salt that is Na2B. This is a complex salt. याद रखो, very important. Getting the thing? In presence of basic media, act as an acid. In presence of acidic media, act as a base. It will show that the beryllium hydroxide is amphoteric in nature. Getting the thing? समझ में आ रहा है? These are the things with respect to what? Hydroxides. Any doubt in this? No doubt है? Then move towards the next one, hydrides बोल के लिख लो, or reaction with hydrogen. Getting the thing? समझ में आ रहा है? The next one, reaction with H2. Reaction with H2. समझ में आ रहा है? The next, याद रख लो, when the alkaline earth metals, if M is considered to be the alkaline earth metal, when these alkaline earth metal get reacts with the hydrogen के साथ react होंगे, they will form MH2 type of hydrides. All the alkaline earth metals when reacts with the hydrogen के साथ react होंगे, तो they will form which type of hydride? MH2. alkali metal MH बन रहा था. तो alkaline earth metal जो रहेंगे, all the alkaline earth metals generally has the capacity to form which type of hydrides? MH2 type of hydrides बनेंगे. Getting the thing? One. And another thing, important thing you have to remember, beryllium जो रहेगा, beryllium does not have the capacity to react with the hydrogen directly. Beryllium does not react with H2 directly. Directly react नहीं होगा. Due to the smaller atomic size of the beryllium, and due to the least reactivity, among the alkaline earth metal, the beryllium is considered to be least reactive. Due to the least reactive nature of beryllium, beryllium couldn't have the capacity to react with hydrogen. If beryllium couldn't react with the hydrogen, sir, hydride कैसे बनेगा? How it form the hydride? The beryllium hydride is generally prepared by the alternative methods. Getting the thing? Magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, all have the capacity to react with the hydrogen directly. They will form MH2 बनेंगे. मगर beryllium जो रहेगा, due to the smaller atomic size and due to the least reactivity, it never have the tendency to react with the hydrogen directly. तो beryllium hydride कैसे बनेगा? ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था. कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं? When these beryllium hydride कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं? When this beryllium chloride, how to prepare the beryllium hydride then? When the beryllium chloride get reacts with किसके साथ? Lithium aluminum hydride के साथ treat करो. Very important one. Once the beryllium hydride, how to prepare the beryllium hydride? When the beryllium chloride get reacts with the lithium aluminum hydride के साथ treat करोगे, once it is treated with the lithium aluminum hydride के साथ treat करोगे, this beryllium get combines with the hydrogen, there is a formation of beryllium hydride बनेगा, with the formation of lithium chloride plus AlCl3. Getting the thing? Which one is a suitable method to prepare the beryllium hydride बोल के पूछा गया. So beryllium couldn't have the capacity to react with hydrogen. Due to that reason, beryllium hydride is generally prepared by the reaction of what? By the reaction of beryllium chloride with lithium aluminum hydride. When the beryllium chloride reacts with the lithium aluminum hydride, there is a formation of what? Beryllium hydride. Getting the thing? Other alkaline earth metal, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium, they get directly reacts with the hydrogen, they will form the corresponding hydrides बनेंगे. अब देखोगे तो beryllium will form beryllium hydride, magnesium will form MgH2, calcium will form CaH2. And another thing you have to remember, important one, this CaH2, calcium hydride, is commonly termed as hydrolith. ये भी पूछा गया था. Getting the thing? What will be the common name of CaH2? Calcium hydride is commonly termed as what? क्या बोल के बोला जाता है? Hydrolith बोल के बोला जाता है. Calcium hydride, strontium hydride, and last one, barium hydride. Getting the thing? These are the hydrides formed by the alkaline earth metal. जब इनका nature देखोगे, when you go through the nature of these, down the group जब देखोगे, beryllium hydride, magnesium, down the group atomic size increases. Alkaline earth metal का atomic size increase हो रहा है. Hydrogen का तो atomic size remains the same. Getting the thing? Due to that reason, down the group the stability of hydride decrease होना शुरू होता है. Getting the thing? The stability order जब देखोगे, stability order down the group क्या होगा? Decrease होगा. So which one is considered to be more stable? Beryllium hydride. Which one is considered to be unstable? Barium hydride. Getting the thing? One. Solubility down the group increases. Increase होना शुरू होगा. Getting the thing? And another important thing, यहाँ पे reducing nature बोल के आएगा, याद रख लो. Very important one. Reducing nature बोल के आएगा. Getting? What is the meaning of reducing nature? Reducing agent बोल के पढ़ा होगा. You might be hear the word reducing agent. Reducing nature का मतलब और reducing agent का मतलब क्या होगा? The compounds which have the capacity to donate the electron, जो electron donate करते हैं, or to donate the hydrogen, जो हाइड्रोजन डोनेट कर सकते हैं, जो इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेट कर सकते हैं, such elements we generally call it as reducing agent बोल के बोला जाता है. Amongst the hydride, getting the thing? Amongst the hydride, beryllium to barium hydride, the hydride which has the capacity to donate the hydrogen at the faster rate, that compound we generally consider to be what? Strong reducing agent बोल के बोला जाता है. याद रख लो. You must be familiar with the definition of reducing agent. What is that? Reducing agents are the compounds, or these are the elements which are having the capacity to donate the electron or to donate the hydrogen. The compound which will donate the electron or donate the hydrogen at a faster rate, those are considered to be strong reducing agents. And the compounds those are having the capacity to donate the electron or to donate the hydrogen at the slower rate, those are considered to be weak reducing agents बोल के बोला जाता है. अब ये पांचों hydrides में, out of these 5 hydrides, which hydride generally has the capacity? सभी के पास हाइड्रोजन है, All the compounds are having hydrogen molecule with them. सभी के पास हाइड्रोजन दिख रहा है. तो इन पांचों में सबसे जल्दी कौन हाइड्रोजन डोनेट करेगा, स्लोअर रेट में कौन डोनेट करेगा. हमने ऑर्डर ऑफ स्टेबिलिटी देखा, सबसे ज्यादा स्टेबल कौन है, बेरिलियम हाइड्राइड. तो ये हाइड्रोजन जल्दी देगा. स्टेबल मॉलिक्यूल जो रहेंगे, दे कुडंट हैव द कैपेसिटी टू ब्रेक इटसेल्फ इजीली. सबसे अनस्टेबल कौन है, बेरियम हाइड्राइड. As it is a highly unstable, it will donate the hydrogen at a faster rate. Getting the thing? Due to the higher atomic size of the barium hydride which is formed are generally considered to be unstable. Due to that reason, they will donate the hydrogen at a faster rate. सबसे कम atomic size किसका है, बेरिलियम. Assume that this is a beryllium. Getting the thing? ये हाइड्रोजन है, दोनों का एटॉमिक साइज नियरली सेम है, तो उनके बीच में जो बॉन्ड रहेगा दैट इज स्ट्रांग रहेगा, तो उसको ब्रेक करने के लिए लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी दे सकते हैं. अब बेरियम, दिस इज अ बेरियम, दिस इज अ हाइड्रोजन. तो दिस हाइड्रोजन couldn't have the capacity to withhold this barium. बेरियम का एटॉमिक साइज ज्यादा रहने से the hydrogen couldn't have the capacity to withhold that barium. बेरियम को पकड़ के रखने की ताकत उसमें नहीं रहता है, इसीलिए this molecule is generally considered to be unstable. इसलिए बोलते हैं down the group as the atomic size goes on increases, stability of hydride goes on decreases. तो which one is considered to be unstable? कौन सा unstable रहेगा, barium hydride. As the barium hydride is unstable, it will donate the hydrogen at faster rate. उससे ज्यादा स्टेबल कौन है, सबसे ज्यादा स्टेबल. तो डाउन द ग्रुप स्टेबिलिटी डिक्रीजेस, तो टेंडेंसी टू डोनेट द हाइड्रोजन इंक्रीजेस, तो रेड्यूसिंग नेचर डाउन द ग्रुप इंक्रीजेस. तो विच वन इज स्ट्रॉन्ग रेड्यूसिंग एजेंट, इट इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रेड्यूसिंग एजेंट. विच वन इज अ वीक रेड्यूसिंग एजेंट, दिस वन इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी व्हाट, वीक reducing agent. Getting the thing? समझ में आ रहा है? Any doubt in this one? And last one, and very important one, with respect to the competitive aspect, the beryllium hydride and magnesium hydride, these two, in the nature, याद रखो, the beryllium hydride and magnesium hydride, in the nature, they generally exist. कैसे exist होते हैं? They generally exist in the form of polymeric chain. Polymeric chain. Getting the thing? Calcium hydride, strontium hydride, and barium hydride. These three hydrides are generally exist in the form of मोनोमेरिक फॉर्म में मिलते हैं. गेटिंग द थिंग? दिस आर जनरली एग्जिस्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ मोनोमर्स. तो सिंगल रहता है. अब नेचर में CaH2 कैसे रहेगा, CaH2 अकेला रहता है, CaH2 के फॉर्म में ही रहेगा. ये तीनों ऐसे ही रहते हैं, CaH2, SrH2 एंड BaH2. वही आप बेरिलियम हाइड्राइड एंड मैग्नीशियम हाइड्राइड को देखोगे, द बेरिलियम हाइड्राइड एंड मैग्नीशियम हाइड्राइड, दीज टू कंपाउंड्स आर जनरली एग्जिस्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पॉलीमेरिक चेन में एग्जिस्ट होता है. अब क्वेश्चन क्या राइज होगा, इफ दे गेट एग्जिस्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पॉलीमेरिक चेन, देन व्हाट विल बी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ दोस कंपाउंड. सर कैसे दिखते हैं, कैसे रहेंगे, सी द स्ट्रक्चर हियर, क्या होगा, कैसे रहेंगे. व्हाट विल बी द स्ट्रक्चर, देखो यहां पे, दिस इज अ बेरिलियम हाइड्राइड, BeH2 is the formula, correct? We know the electronic configuration of beryllium. Beryllium का electronic configuration 1s2 2s2, इतना ही है, इतना ही रहेगा. तो 1s2 2s2, this is the electronic configuration of beryllium. तो ऐसे लिख दूं मैं, this is a 1s2 2s2, आएगा 2p 0, दो शेल्स है, इट इज अ 2p 0 बोल. last bench. It is the last type. 1s2, 2s2, 2p0. It is the electronic configuration of beryllium in a ground state. Ground state. Once the beryllium forms the hydride, in the beryllium hydride, beryllium, what is the oxidation state? +2. Hydrogen ka minus. -1 into 2, -2, it is a +2. बनेगा. तो रिएक्शन के टाइम में क्या होगा? ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ रिएक्शन बेरिलियम कुडंट भी एग्जिस्ट इन दिस फॉर्म. ऐसे एग्जिस्ट नहीं होता है. कैसे एग्जिस्ट होगा? ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ रिएक्शन, इट इज अ ग्राउंड स्टेट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन. ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ रिएक्शन 1s2, 2s orbital consisting of how many electrons? 2. During the time of reaction, one of the electron from the 2s get promoted to what? 2p में जाके बैठे. So this is the electronic configuration of beryllium during the time of reaction. 1s2, 2s1, 2p1. It is in a ground state. It is in excited state. E means excited. To participate in the reaction, the molecule must be unstable. Stable molecule never participate in the reaction. Correct hai? To become a reactive, to get participate in the chemical reaction, the molecule must be kya rehna chahiye? The atom must be unstable rehna chahiye. It is a stable electronic configuration. कोई भी atom stable electronic configuration में रहेंगे तो they couldn't be participate in the chemical reaction. Reaction में participate नहीं करेंगे. इसीलिए बेरिलियम क्या करेगा? ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ रिएक्शन वन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम 2s गेट प्रमोटेड टू व्हाट? 2p में प्रमोट होगा. गेटिंग द थिंग? एक्साइटेड स्टेट में. अब आप बेरिलियम का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन एक्साइटेड स्टेट में देखोगे कितने अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है जी? हाउ मेनी अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर? 2. द अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन गेट पार्टिसिपेट इन बॉन्डिंग. अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन पार्टिसिपेट होंगे. तो कितने अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन है? तो मैं ऐसे लिख दूं बेरिलियम. हाउ मेनी अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर देयर? एक यहां पे चलेगा. दूसरा यहां पे. गेटिंग द थिंग? 1. और दूसरा बेरिलियम लिख दूं मैं यहां पे. दिस इज अ 1 बेरिलियम. टेक डाउन अनदर 1. ये दोनों कैसे है? यहां पे ये दोनों कैसे दिख रहे हैं? खाली है. तो खाली को ऐसे लिख दूं मैं ऐसे. These are vacant. That doesn't have any electron. 2s में एक अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन है, 2p में एक है. यहां पे बेरिलियम में getting the thing? How many unpaired? 1 unpaired. These are vacant. चलेगा. अब बेरिलियम हाइड्राइड कैसे बनता है देखो. हाउ देयर इज, इनको इसे निकाल दो. चलेगा. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन समझ में आया? इसको निकाल दूं मैं. अब देखो सर, हाउ द बेरिलियम हाइड्राइड विल फॉर्म द पॉलीमेरिक चेन. पॉलीमेरिक चेन कैसे बनता है? हाउ देयर इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पॉलीमेरिक चेन. सी, बेरिलियम हाइड्राइड का फॉर्मूला क्या है? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ बेरिलियम हाइड्राइड? BH2. तो ईच बेरिलियम गेट लिंक्ड विद हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन? 2 हाइड्रोजन. मैं यहां पे एक हाइड्रोजन रखूंगा. हाइड्रोजन का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 1s1. स्फेरिकल शेप रहता है हाइड्रोजन. यस सब शेल. तो दिस इज द हाइड्रोजन. गेटिंग द थिंग? दिस इज द हाइड्रोजन एटम. दिस इज अनदर हाइड्रोजन. अब यहां पे मैं तीसरा एक बेरिलियम ले लूंगा. 1, 2, 3. दिस वन इज. तो 2 अनपेयर्ड, 2 वैकेंट आएगा. अब देखो बेरिलियम हाइड्राइड पॉलीमेरिक चेन कैसे बनता है. हाउ देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ पॉलीमेरिक चेन. गेटिंग द थिंग? अब यहां पे दिस इज फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बॉन्ड हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर रिक्वायर्ड? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. अब इसके पास एक है. यहां पे एक हाइड्रोजन आ जाएगा ऐसे. हाइड्रोजन के पास कितने अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन है? 1. द 1 अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन and 1 unpaired electron present in the beryllium get overlaps with how many orbital? 1, 2, here 3. कितने ऑर्बिटल ओवरलैप हो रहे हैं? 3 ऑर्बिटल ओवरलैप होके कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बन? 2. 3 ऑर्बिटल ओवरलैप हो रहे हैं मगर इलेक्ट्रॉन कितने हैं? 2. ड्यू टू to the presence of overlapping of three orbitals, it is termed as three centered बोलते हैं. Three orbital overlap हो रहा है. कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. थ्री सेंटर्ड 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन बोलते हैं. और एक हाइड्रोजन यहां पे आ जाता है. हाइड्रोजन के पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है? 1. इसका एक बन गया बॉन्ड. गेटिंग द थिंग? सर यहां पे फिर एक बेरिलियम ले लो. ऐसे एक हाइड्रोजन यहां पे आ जाएगा, फिर एक बॉन्ड बना. यहां पे एक हाइड्रोजन, फिर एक बॉन्ड बना. गेटिंग द थिंग? जैसे पॉलीमर बन रहा है. तो सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर कैसे लिखते हैं हम इसका? हाउ टू राइट द सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर? दिस इज अ बेरिलियम, H BH2. ये दूसरा बेरिलियम. This is another beryllium hydride. It is the third beryllium hydride. ऐसे आएगा. Getting the thing? How they will form the bond? ऐसे. It is exist in the form of polymeric chain. सर रहने के लिए सर बेरिलियम का तो ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट कितना है? +2 है. तो इट हैज टू फॉर्म 2 बॉन्ड्स. यहां पे देखे तो क्या दिख रहा है? 1 2 3 4 बॉन्ड बन रहा है. कैसे बनेगा? ऐसे बनता है. The 3 orbital undergo the overlapping leads to the formation of a 3-centered 2 electron bond. Very important. First thing you have to remember with respect to the beryllium hydride जो रहेगा, it is exist in the form of polymeric chain. Beryllium hydride and magnesium hydride both get exist in the form of polymeric chain. First important thing. Second important thing, क्वेश्चन क्या पूछेगा? Which type of bond generally exists in beryllium hydride बोल के पूछेगा. बेरिलियम हाइड्राइड में बॉन्ड कैसे बनेगा? ऐसे बनता है स्ट्रक्चर. आपके बुक में यही स्ट्रक्चर है. गेटिंग द थिंग? यही स्ट्रक्चर दिखेगा. जब ये स्ट्रक्चर देखोगे तो माइंड में डाउट आएगा कि सर बेरिलियम का तो ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट +2 है. इट हैज टू फॉर्म 2 बॉन्ड. 4 कैसे बन रहा है? ऐसे बन रहा है. Due to the formation of these type of bond, 3-centered. How many orbital? 1, 2, 3 orbitals with the 2 electrons. This type of bond we call it as 3-centered 2 electron bond बोल के बोला जाता है. याद रखो, very important. Getting the thing? समझ में आ रहा है? Due to the formation, how they will form the polymeric chain? They will form the polymeric chain due to the formation of 3-centered 2 electron bond बोल के बोला जाता है. Getting the thing? Another important thing you have to be remember with respect to what beryllium hydride is what is the hybridization of beryllium बोल के पूछा जाता है. The beryllium which is present in this one, it is a sp3 hybridized with which type of geometry? Tetrahedral geometry. Very important one. The beryllium atom present in the polymeric chain, it is a sp3 hybridized with the tetrahedral geometry. How they will form the polymeric chain? They will form the polymeric chain due to the formation of 3-centered 2 electron bond रहने से बनते हैं. And this is a polymeric structure of what? This is a polymeric structure of what? Beryllium hydride. Book में ऐसे दिया है. When you go through your NCERT textbook, you will find this type of structure. मगर originally ये bond कैसे बनता है? The bond is formed in this manner. Getting the thing? समझ में आ रहा है? And another thing you have to remember with respect to what? The calcium, beryllium hydride and magnesium hydride. ये जो दो compound है, these two compound could not release hydrogen, release H2 gas with water. वाटर के साथ हाइड्रोजन गैस रिलीज नहीं करेंगे. गेटिंग द थिंग? वही आप निकालने से और गेटिंग द थिंग? देखो यहां पे जब देखोगे, वही आप कैल्शियम हाइड्राइड जब देखोगे, स्ट्रॉन्सियम हाइड्राइड जब देखोगे, बेरियम हाइड्राइड जब देखोगे, when these compound get mixed with the water के साथ मिक्स करोगे, when they get mixed with the water, they will form their corresponding hydroxides. hydroxides with the release of hydrogen gas. याद रखिए, calcium hydride, strontium hydride and barium hydride, when they get reacts with the water molecule, they will release H2 gas. एक क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, name the hydride which is suitable for the production of H2 gas. The calcium hydride is answer. Calcium hydride जो रहेगा, it is widely used in the production of H2 gas. It is widely used in the production of what? H2 gas के production में use किया जाता है. Although calcium hydride, strontium hydride, barium all have the capacity to release the hydrogen gas with the water molecule, but widely used compound is what? Calcium hydride. The calcium hydride is generally used for the production of what? H2 gas बोल के बोला जाता है. Getting the thing? These are the things with respect to what? Hydrides. Then move towards the next one. Right on. Halides बोल के. Halides. What is the meaning of the halides? When these alkaline earth metal get reacts with the halogen, halogen के साथ react करोगे, they will form their corresponding halides. Which type of halides get formed? If M is considered to be what? Alkaline earth metal, when they get reacts with the halogen, halogen means X2, where X is what? It may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine. कोई भी रह सकता है. Getting the thing? When M, this is alkaline earth metal, when reacts with the halogen, they will form M X2 type of halides. All the alkaline earth metals, जितने भी alkaline earth metals है, all the alkaline earth metals generally has the capacity to form MX2 type of halides. One thing. And another thing you have to remember, important thing you have to remember, beryllium जो रहेगा, getting the thing? Beryllium जो रहेगा, this beryllium couldn't have the capacity to react with the halogen directly. Getting the thing? Beryllium जो रहेगा, beryllium could not react with the halogen directly to form SN नहीं बनता. It never formed BX2. Or beryllium couldn't react with the halogen directly. Due to that reason, अब question क्या raise होगा? If beryllium doesn't have the capacity to react with the halogen directly, then halides of the beryllium कैसे prepare किया जाता है? How the halides of the beryllium get prepared? याद रख लो, very important one, BF2, the preparation of best method for the preparation of BF2. Beryllium fluoride कैसे prepare किया जाता है? How there is a method, how there is a formation of beryllium fluoride get take place. याद रख लो, beryllium fluoride जो रहेगा, आपको पूछा गया, name the compound which is widely used for the preparation of beryllium fluoride बोल के पूछा गया. This is the compound. Ammonium tetrafluoroberylliate बोल के बोला जाता है. Ammonium, very important one. Name the compound which is widely used for the preparation of beryllium fluoride बोल के पूछा गया. The name of the compound is ammonium tetrafluoroberylliate. When this compound get heated at a high temperature पे heat करोगे. When this compound get heated at a high temperature, there is a formation of beryllium chloride, BeF2 plus ammonium chloride. Getting the thing? Best route, best method for the preparation of beryllium fluoride is what? By heating ammonium tetrafluoroberylliate. समझ में आ रहा है? By heating the tetrafluoroberylliate, ammonium derivative of tetrafluoroberylliate, there is the formation of beryllium fluoride. One. And another thing you have to remember with respect to what? बेरिलियम हैलाइड्स. सर बेरिलियम फ्लोराइड को प्रिपेयर कर दिया, बेरिलियम ब्रोमाइड सॉरी क्लोराइड कैसे प्रिपेयर करते हैं? याद रख लो, बोथ दीज गेट अपीयर्ड इन अ प्रीवियस ईयर, नीट में पूछा गया था. गेटिंग द थिंग? हाउ देयर इज अ व्हिच वन इज द सुटेबल मेथड फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ बेरिलियम क्लोराइड बोल के पूछा गया. बेरिलियम क्लोराइड इज जनरली प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ बेरिलियम ऑक्साइड. Getting? When the beryllium oxide get treated with the carbon, that is a charcoal. Getting the thing? When it is treated with the carbon, along with whom? किसके साथ? Fluorine के साथ. Once this beryllium oxide get treated with the carbon or charcoal, in presence of fluorine, at 600 to 800 Kelvin temperature. Once the beryllium monoxide get heated with the carbon and the chlorine at 600 to 800 Kelvin temperature, there is a formation of what? BeCl2. क्या बनेगा? BeCl2. Name the suitable method for the preparation of BeCl2. This is a reaction which is widely used for the preparation of what? BeCl2 के preparation में use किया जाता है. And name the suitable compound for the preparation of BeF2. This is the one. अमोनियम टेट्राफ्लोरोबेरिलिएट बोला जाता है. सर ये अल्टरनेटिव मेथड क्यों यूज किया जाता है? बिकॉज बेरिलियम couldn't react with the halogen directly. Due to that reason, these alternative methods get used. Getting the thing? Another thing you have to be remember with respect to the beryllium chloride. Beryllium chloride के बारे में क्या याद रखना है? This beryllium chloride, very important one. When beryllium chloride generally exists in three form में exist होता है. Getting? सॉलिड एज वेल एज वेपरिक फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट. जब सॉलिड में रहेगा, याद रख लो, व्हेन बेरिलियम क्लोराइड गेट एग्जिस्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सॉलिड में रहेगा, तो इट इज ऑलवेज इन अ सॉलिड, इट इज एग्जिस्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ, कैसे एग्जिस्ट होगा? पॉलीमेरिक चेन. दिमाग में रख लो. व्हेन बेरिलियम क्लोराइड गेट एग्जिस्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सॉलिड, सॉलिड में रहेगा तो कैसे दिखेगा? पॉलीमेरिक चेन. अभी आपने बेरिलियम हाइड्राइड का स्ट्रक्चर देखा था, पॉलीमेरिक चेन में था, ऐसे पॉलीमेरिक चेन में रहेगा. वही सेम बेरिलियम क्लोराइड को आप हीट करोगे तो वेपर बनेगा. इन वेपरिक फेज, सर वेपरिक फेज में कैसे रहेगा? क्वेश्चन पूछा गया. हाउ द बेरिलियम क्लोराइड गेट एग्जिस्ट इन अ वेपरिक फेज. तो आप पॉलीमेरिक चेन लिखोगे तो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. पॉलीमेरिक चेन कब एग्जिस्ट होगा? व्हेन इट इज एग्जिस्ट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सॉलिड. When beryllium chloride get exist in the form of vapor, vaporic phase में जब रहेगा, it is exist in the form of कैसे? Dimer. Dimer means दो beryllium chloride link होके रहते. Getting the thing? Solid form में large number of beryllium chloride get linked with the each other to form a long chain बनेगी. Getting the thing? वही third one. About 1200 Kelvin temperature. 1200 Kelvin temperature, बेरिलियम क्लोराइड को 1200 Kelvin temperature से ज्यादा हीट करोगे, at about 200 Kelvin temperature, this beryllium chloride कैसे रहेगा? It is exist in the form of linear monomer, अकेला रहेगा. Getting the thing? समझ में आ रहा है? How there is the formation of structure take place? सर स्ट्रक्चर कैसे रहेंगे? All those things we will go through in what? Next bit में आता है. Getting the thing? समझ में आ रहा है? These are the important bit, the structure and remaining thing we will go through in what? Next class में पढ़ा जाएगा. समझ में